Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Ford Figo Blue. So this is a Ford Figo and it's some premium touches for blue treatment, and it's written on Ford Figo Blue. So this is a key of vehicle and it's in the white color treatment, and finishing of the white is very nice on this vehicle. First is first. So now opening the engine boot is very much difficult now. And Ford badge. So Ford badge is given at the center, and coming to first is first, same design and bold design of same three vehicles of Aspire, Figo and Fiesta, and same headlights treatment, also cornering lights, and no projected LED DRS on offer. Only changes is blue treatment on offer for interior touches and exterior touches on blue treatment of rear. Here you can see that down you can see the blue treatment. So it's a Figo Blue and it's a limited additional, we can say, fog lamps is given position there. So this is a Figo and that is Fiesta. So tuning hood given there, and number plate placement lower side, and grille is very nice, black gloss finish, and water sprinkler is given on the engine boot. So antenna is given there, and gloss black finish of roof top is very nice, and nice touch of premium feeling of that. And so it's a limited edition, so some touches are given. So gloss black side view mirror and graphics on offer at the doors side, and this is the side profile of Figo. So coming to the side, this is the tire profile. Ford Figo tires, and the profile of the tire is 195 55 16 inches tires, and I like the alloy wheels on this tire profile because of this piano black finish, gloss black finish of alloy wheels. Nice Ford badge at the center, and see the disc size, nice treatment and nice placed of the disc size, massive enough of disc, and there you can see the body level and the tire level of very low side, and it's a premium hatchback, and door handles are same as compared to three vehicles. So there you can see the spoiler, small spoiler, it has been fixed to the body only. So keyless entry of boot, this from here only we can operate, and Ford badge is there, Figo badge is there. This is a rear profile and titanium written there, TDCI badge, blue written because of this additional variant, and Figo Blue. So let's open the, so this is the boot opening, keyless entry. So 242 liters, same boot space as compared to Fiesta and Figo, same space. So offer on there is a light, and under the boot there is spare wheel, no alloy wheel, and the profile of the tire spare wheel is 175 55 14 inches, same, no cross cuttings on offer, and jack is placed there. Nice installation of boot and hydraulic struts. So this is a wiper, and these are the tail light design, bold designs as Aspire, Figo, Fiesta, same design, nothing much, only a, see the black finish of design at the rear, and this is the fuel lid. Let's open the rear door. So blue treatment, blue line treatment on offer at the door, and no door pockets, and again same. So gloss black finish of door handle and power window button holder and speaker. So there is a rear seat, and let's get inside the seat, and same black finish of interior, no under the support, no headroom is massive enough, and no center armrest at the rear, and adjustable headrest. So windows are large enough, blue treatment on offer because it's a Figo Blue as we said. I like the treatment of door handles, gloss black finish, and speaker is there, nothing much to say, no light, no handles, nothing. So no isofix tail seats, only black, and graphics are given in the grey finish. So cotton seats, no leather treatment also, no AC vents at the rear, and bottle holder is given here. Let's go to front and see. This is the dashboard from the rear. So coming to the front, so here you can see the power windows button is given here, handle, and there you can see the door pockets. 1 liter water bottle and half liter water bottle easily it will be fixed, and it's in the silver gloss black finish and it's light chrome treatment on offer. Nice attractive look. And this is a side view mirror adjustable of buttons. So no electric adjustable of seats because it's a small hatchback car which not expert at all. And let's sit inside. So this is the dashboard design from the front, and this is the key. So let's on the vehicle. So coming to first, there is no center armrest and twin cup holders is given here, manual adjustable handbrake, and same as per design of older version. This is car because of this is a gear lever, nice treatment and nice feel, and 5-speed manual transmission gear, and 12-volt charging socket given here, aux USB port, and this is on mobile holder and small display of AC and auto climate control inside, as well as switch is given. These are buttons for AC controls, and these are button for infotainment system, and 7-inch touch screen as I said. So doors are open now, there it will be not been work, fan sound is very loud, and 7-inch touch screen as same as said I have in the Aspire and Fiesta. If you want to see, please link press this button for I button. So black finish of interior and glove box is massive enough for documentation, and blue treatment on doors, nothing much of written of blue. Auto dimming inside again nice. So lights on offer, and there is mirror with no light on co-passenger side, and there is no light, no mirror, and only a tool receipt is given here. And steering feel is same as Fiesta style as given, and these are buttons for audio control as if I said in the many videos of Ford vehicles. And this is an instrument cluster, nothing much of infotainment instrument cluster is given in the information, and RPM meter, speedometer, fuel gauge is given, and small distometer for odometer, trip A, trip B, etc. lot of nothing much of information. And this lever is for wipers, and this lever is for indicators, and headlight adjustable of headlight is given here. High levels of high beam and low beam, a pass light is given. Completely setup of headlight is given, setup is here, and AC vents is round design, very nice treatment, and same dashboard as compared to three vehicles, Aspire, Fiesta and Figo, same, nothing much to say inside the cabin. So this is a rear profile from the front, and this is a premium hatchback you can say. So overall this is a walk around and interior design of Figo Blue as limited edition vehicle. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video. If you like the video, please share. Bye bye.